Hi, welcome to my little Los Angeles home. I would show you the outside because it's so cute. My street is so adorable and the house is really cute, but you can't do that here on YouTube because who knows what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna show you the inside. My little 1 bedroom plus a garage bungalow and my plans, some of my plans for decorating this place. And I'm in a little dress and it's not even that warm out, it's just sunny. So yeah, you can tell I just moved to LA from Chicago and basically like, it's summer. Not really, it's still chilly. I don't know, I've lived here before, so I'm back. Right when you walk in, this is it basically. This is like the great room, the family room, the living room or whatever. And I have no furniture. I have zero furniture. I just have stuff basically. So I'll be furnishing this room from scratch and I have a lot of plans for it. But in the meantime, I've just been sitting on the ground and working at that little bar. I need furniture. I love that this place has these blind things that I can lower because I am on the first floor. So it's really nice to have, are those even, privacy? But this is my like fake fireplace. I don't think it's original to the home, but they did a good job at trying to match it. We're not getting the best lighting right now because you can kind of see out into my street. So I didn't really want to focus on that. But yeah, this is another angle of the space. I'm thinking like a sofa right here and then the 2 chairs here. But the best part about all of these windows, they're French windows, so they all open, which is such a key selling point. Well, I mean, I'm renting. Oh, and there's my car. This kind of gives you a better idea of the layout with the fireplace here. Okay, so on this wall, I have big plans of, I want like a giant like unit, like this inspiration photo. I want this wall to be just like a fun entertainment thing, and then I'll have a TV on there. I do not want to put my TV above the fireplace. I have a lot of good pieces of art that I've collected. I just don't really know which rooms they belong in yet because I have no furniture. So I'm kind of just keeping everything, I don't know, leaned. So this is where I sit. I mean, I've been here for like a week and the first week I was on set every day. So this was like my first weekend kind of spending in the place, and this is my chair that I sit in. And then I have a bunch of books and a bunch of random crap up on the fireplace. But yeah, I mean, that's all I can do. And then I leave for Christmas next week. This is the bar area, which I threw a piece of art and a lamp up here. And you can actually put 2 stools back here. So if you wanted to have people over, AKA if I wanted to have people over, I would have 2 stools, and then we could sit. This is also where I've been doing all of my work standing up, and I don't think my body really likes that because I keep getting like nauseous. So then I go and sit on my chair. But this is my kitchen, and these lights, I'm gonna turn them off actually, are a really specific bulb. So I wasn't able to replace it with like a warm bulb, which is very important to me. My dad and mom helped me move in, and the movers actually arrived late, so they didn't actually get to help me unpack, which was super annoying. But my dad did install dimmers on all of the lights in the entire place because I require that, you know? This window usually gets really fun sunlight. Also, another like French window thing, which I love so much, especially above a sink. And all of the fixtures are just amazing. This is like a really old sink, some fun old tile. I would say the cabinets are updated, but they're updated in a nice way that I like. And do not forget about a lamp in the kitchen. This view, this view of my kitchen is so good. I don't know why, it's really not that dark in here. I really just didn't want these on. See, they're like so fluorescent. Well, anyways, this view of my kitchen, I love. I love the floor. I love everything. Do I put these on? Fine. Lots of storage, all of my glassware and dishware. It's literally so much storage stuff. There's even like areas that don't have stuff in it. And the best is washer dryer. Always prop styling, you know? Always be prop styling. I don't know. I don't really know. All the stuff that I've put out so far doesn't feel like it's in the right place. I was just kind of playing around, but I have a lot of my glassware up here, and you know, I just kind of like shoved things in a spot so that I could cook a meal. I'm obsessed with my pantry. It's one of the first things I kind of put together because I don't know why, but I bought these like roll-out trash bins because I wanted them to have a lid because they're in the pantry. So I installed these things and I love it. And I don't know, the perk of living by yourself, you don't have that much stuff. So I put a little tray in here and prop styled my snacks, basically. And now you can kind of see this like gap area right there that we could throw. I could throw, I guess when I say we, I mean us. We could throw some stools there, you know? I do like to host, so gotta figure out how to do that. I think it's gonna be in my great room will be the area that we all hang because it's pretty large for like the living space. And please disregard all of this stuff. Also, this is an old closet mirror that I thrifted in Chicago. This is from my Chicago place. I don't know, I don't think it's gonna belong there, but it's where it is now. But anyways, come back with me into here. And this is kind of like a linen closet area, bathroom, bedroom. And I did not paint these walls, but I do like the color, I think. Oh wait, we have a dimmer. Shall we? I don't know how to film in lighting. Do we put it low? All right, fine. This is my linen closet area, which I organized pretty nicely. You know, I'm still waiting on a step ladder so that I can get up there. But yeah, another perk of living by yourself is like I can just spread out my crap. This is all jewelry. you know? It's fun. Okay, let me show you the bathroom. It's not that exciting, but I do have plans. This is the bathroom. It's a great size. Again, dimmers. It's everything. You need a dimmer. Yeah, I mean, right now, this is all just stuff I've thrown in here. I definitely want to paint the walls in here, I think. Wow, this is such a funny angle. Or like wallpaper, or it needs some help. But this is such a giant, amazing sink. And then medicine cabinet. And then I have some fun plans for the shower. I found this inspo photo on Pinterest, and I want to do a shower curtain hanging from the ceiling. So I actually bought the hardware for it. I need to get the shower curtain, but that will be a whole video of kind of transforming this bathroom because it definitely needs help, but it's not bad. And I also just don't have time right now to do this. It's really hard to film with these windows. It really is bright in here. It's just, I don't know how to capture it with, how do people do that? You know, and this is an air mattress. It's one of those air mattresses that like come in a box and then it has thingies, I don't know. And I have a lot of plans for this room. I want a really cool, I'm trying to get this headboard. And then on this wall, again, I want like a big entertainment center type of thing. I'm really into like large, can you see me? I'm really into like large wall pieces because it makes it feel like it's a part of the home. And I don't know, I just have a vision. This is so depressing looking with this bed spread. It looks like I'm from, I don't know, but look at that. Can you even see that? This is all stuff that needs a spot. I'm hoping to get, you know, the big type of wall unit, and then this wall will get put in there because my closet, it's a good size, but this is like, you know, like small things, tank tops, underwear. I'll show you the closet. This little wall, I want to do like a small desk that I could do my makeup and like jewelry and stuff maybe. And then this is my closet. I can take you in further. Hold on. But it's really good. The lighting in there is pretty sad, but it's a really good sized closet. I probably could fit everything if I really wanted to, but I don't want to. How exciting. Luckily I'm tall, so I can store my shoes up on that little shelf. I'm like, I don't really know what else I would put up here because, okay. Shoes are really the only like easy thing to grab. And then I have dresses, sweaters. This is so boring. That's my closet. Okay, now let's go back out this way, you know, back, come with me. And I'm gonna show you my backyard. I have a lot of plans for my little backyard. It's such a great space. And then I'll show you my garage. And then that's it. Okay. This is my little outdoor space, avocado tree. I can't really show you this way because I have neighbors. And then this is the entrance to my garage. But there's more to this outdoor space. See, it is sunny. Yeah, I love it. And if you come back this way, there's like workers back here. I don't know what's going on. I should have worn shoes. I should have worn shoes. Yeah, if you come back this way, which I'll show you, is like another little nook area to my yard that I have a whole plan I want to transform. So, okay, so for this little area, I want to, like, these stones are kind of like fake stepping stones. I don't love that, but I want to cover this whole area with some type of stone so it's a more flat surface, if that makes sense. And then I want to put either a long table or a bistro table. And then this actually goes all the way to the front of my, oh wait, you can't see me. This goes to the front of my house, but I'm not gonna show you back there because I feel like, I don't know, feels like I'm getting, oh, this is so funny. This is such a funny angle. I don't wanna show where I live too much, but this is going to be a whole video of me transforming this back little corner space. So I'm excited about it. Fun fact, I just locked myself out. So now, what the fuck? That was very scary. Let's go into my garage. That was honestly kind of terrifying, pretty much locking myself out. I weirdly got into the house a little too quick, so need to put a spare key outside and need to fix that window. I feel like this is going to be one of my favorite projects I'm doing. I've already started on this project because I need an office, a film studio or whatever, and this is going to be it. So I've been talking with a carpenter to build out a desk, a bunch of storage. This is literally exactly my inspo. So I'm just waiting on a quote, and this will definitely be probably my first project that I'll feature on this channel because it's the most needed. So it's so pretty out. But yeah, I think this garage is going to be sweet. Right now, everything is just kind of random stuff that doesn't really have a space. These were for my 30th birthday party. It's the Goo. And it's honestly so realistic because she really was this small. This is also where the Was headquarters will be. If you haven't checked out my little shop Was, we have products. We have another product dropping in February maybe, so go follow. This is where we'll be shipping things. I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be amazing. And one of the best perks of living in California is that you can have an indoor-outdoor space. Like you could have a garage be your office. It might be a little cold in the winter, but you'll be fine. Lots of plans for this guy. Okay, I think that's it. I was gonna say let's go back inside, but I don't think we need to go back inside for anything. You've seen it all, and now you can watch me decorate because we're going to be doing a lot of decorating. I can't believe it. Sometimes I'm just like, this is so fun to live in California. I miss it, but I've never lived on this side, and it's so different being over here. It's hotter, and it's just different. It's just way different than living in Venice. I lived in Venice for 5 years, and then I was in Chicago for around 3 or so years. I traveled this past year, and now I'm here in another area of Los Angeles that's not Venice. So if you want to subscribe, I will be doing decorating stuff in the new year. So subscribe. Hopefully you like my little place. I'm so excited. Okay.